How to log out Viber on Mac. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open Viber on your Mac and tap on the settings option on the top right corner of your screen. You will see the privacy and security option. Tap on that and further scroll down and you will see the deactivate Viber on desktop tab. Tap on the deactivate button below and in the confirmation pop-up that appears, tap on deactivate again, and with this, you will be logged out. Deactivating Viber will delete your conversation history and app data. Your conversation history will still be available on other Viber devices. So this is how you can log out of Viber on Mac. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.